Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I created these beaded pens, and we are going to be featuring Happy Crafter Shop's store. So you guys can use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase. I will have a playlist linked down below of every single video that I have done since I've been designing for her, and you guys hopefully will find some inspiration from that. So this is really simple. I shared these in a project share yesterday, and I made these pens for my kids, and I want to share with you guys how I did these. Hopefully you get some inspiration. I just want to jazz it up, and I just basically glued a cabochon to this bubblegum bead. And so you can get just about all these items from Happy Crafter Shop. And again, use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off your purchase. These are great gifts, guys, to like, I just wanted to make these for my daughters and my niece so that they could be at school writing. And they're like, oh my God, where'd you get that pen from? And then my daughter would be like, my mama made it. My mommy made it for me. You know, these are great to give to your grandchildren. They're just going to feel like, oh my God, so special. Especially if you put like little things that they love, you know, on there. They're going to adore these and cherish these forever. And all their friends are going to be asking them, who made that for you? Where'd you get that from? Where'd you buy that? And they're going to be like, my grandma made this for me. I didn't buy it. Okay. So let's get started. You're going to need a beaded pen. I'm going to link these down below from Amazon. And you're basically just going to be beading stuff. You're going to need some E6000. And I'm using Hishi beads on this as well, okay? I'm also going to be adding these little bow beads that she still has in her shop. I can't believe she still has these in her shop. Like, I bought a ton of them. She must have had a bunch of them because she knew that, you know, people were going to go crazy. Okay, guys, so all these beads you can get from her shop, basically, except for these bubblegum ones right here. These are her pastel set, I think they're like all pinks or something. The cabochons. I'll have the video linked down below showing you each and everything and what it entails, how many come in a pack, so on and so forth. This is from another month package. The striped ones are from this one, the pearl ones, and then these beautiful bubblegum beads, 20mm ones. Okay, so I'm gonna start off. Let's start off with the yellow. You're going to want to make a ton of these, guys. They are so easy and fun to make. Okay, and I'm always kind of like go back and forth with taking my beads on and off. So I'm going to lay those down. And then I'm going to put a Hishi bead. I'm going to actually put 3 Hishi beads. And Hishi beads are basically like little clay sliced beads. They're flat and they're so cute. And I know we all have a ton of these that we don't put to use. So now's the time to bust them out. Look at how cute. And they just act as a spacer because my other spacer beads don't fit on here. What color should I do? You know, I just want to make everything pink. I'm terrible. So that, well, actually, let's do the bubblegum bead. Let's see how this dark pink looks. Maybe. That's kind of cute. So just play with it until you get the look that you like. No, let's do yellow. Let's see how the yellow looks. Yes, I like the yellow. Okay. And I'm just going to screw this cap back on. I'm telling you guys, you're going to want to make a bunch of these. They're so addicting. Tighten it nice and tight. And I'm just going to glue a little daisy here. Let me see what color I want to use. I like that one. I kind of like this mint too. I want like a nice pop color. I hope you guys can see well. The white is going to look really good. But I already did a few whites. I think I'm going with the white. Let's see how the pink looks. No. mint. All of them look good, guys. You cannot go wrong with these pretty spring colors. I really like these pops of color. I don't know. I can't. I'm going with the white. The white looks good. Okay, and you're going to use your E6000. And this dries fairly quick, you guys. I made these last minute for my my kids and my niece. And it dried like within a couple of hours. But definitely leave it overnight to dry. E6000 is a great glue. You can trust it. Look at how pretty. So there goes our first one. Look at that. I made so many already. Ridiculous. All right, let it dry. Let's do one more. But yeah, I want to post this video to hopefully get you guys inspired. And to show you how you can jazz up your beads, your bubblegum beads, the solid ones. Whoa. All right, let's make another one. And we'll start off with this one. Kind of want to do... I have a few of these. Okay, that one. And kind of want to add some of these from the last. It's okay to like move them around, adjust them to your liking. And you can stick any of the cabochons, but those little daisies, they're just like the perfect size. Sorry guys, I gotta love this or it's gonna bug me. I know you guys are like, really, Poochie pink? Yes, pink girl. Okay, I kind of like that. See how the bubblegum, the rhinestone bubblegum bead just adds something extra, mix your beads up. I really want to add a bow though. Let me see. We're gonna have to take the pearl one out. Let's do this. Oh no, that's too small. Let's do the bubblegum, the rhinestone bubblegum one. The striped, no. That one. And then let's top it with a bow. I still got a little space. So I'm gonna add some Hishi beads because they just look cute. And I'm gonna mix the colors. I'm gonna do like this pretty mint color. Let's do a purple. Let's do a pink first and then a purple. I wanted to hang a charm from this, but I kind of like it without it. So you guys just add whatever you want to yours. She also sells clear bails where you can glue them with E6000 onto cabochons, and you can make a instant charm for whatever. We'll do that one. And then, oh my God, it's so pretty. Yeah. And let me get the cap. I don't know about that rhinestone one now. Kind of want to take it off. I could have put another Hishi bead maybe. Look at how cute, you guys. Was I not in frame all this time? Look at how pretty. So cute. And again, you can jazz up that bubblegum bead by adding one of these. This is gonna bug me because it's so loose right there. So let me add another Hishi bead. And then we'll pick a cabochon. I feel like I'm gonna use those daisy spaces because they're just the perfect size. Let's do a mint. I think I might be pushing it with 2, but I'm gonna go for it. I could even break these up and put these here. Let's actually do that. Don't get frustrated, guys. This is how it is when you're beading. Just keep taking things off, putting things on till you love it. Okay. And then we have the bubblegum bead. We're gonna put these back on. Right, and then we had the striped one. And then the bow. There we go. So now I got a nice snug fit. Look at how cute, you guys. I love it. I love it so much. All right, let's figure out what kind of cabochon we're gonna do. I'm leaning towards, I just really love these daisy ones. I have to get some more. Oh, look at how pretty that mint looks, you guys. But again, she has tons of other cabochons that you can use. You can definitely glue that one. But I think I'm gonna stick with the little daisies because they're just so cute. You can do the pineapple. Sorry for the noise. Look at how cute that pineapple is. Oh my God, so adorable. But I'm gonna stick with the daisy because I really, really love the daisies on here. All right, so I'm gonna grab my E6000 and I just place it directly on the bead. And you don't need much, just a little dab of the E6000 and stick that right there. And there it goes, you guys. Isn't that so pretty? So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found some inspiration. These came out so cute. And again, they're so fun and quick, easy to make. Let me see if I can get them to stand right. And then we have this one where we didn't use a 20mm. I just used all basically the same size ones. And then we have these two here. All right. So have fun making these, guys. Use my code Poochie10. Snatch whatever you can grab from the site. I will be having some more tutorials coming for you guys. And I don't want you guys to be upset that you weren't able to get what you wanted. So snatch what you're thinking about before it's gone, because once she sells out, that's it. It's gone, because she's making room for new things in the shop and she doesn't want to have a bunch of, like, you know, extra stuff in the shop. All right, guys. So I love you all, and I'll catch you in the next video. Let me know what you think about these beaded pens, and tag me on social media so I can share yours. I can't wait to see the beautiful beaded pen you guys make. Bye.